I promised myself I wouldn't ever think about another trailer, at least another trailer flip, but I never said anything about an RV. Well, our goal was to buy one when we retired, but this opportunity came up and here we are. We bought it from a lovely elderly couple, and this is the story of our Reno. This is how we purchased the RV. A lot of details were a little antiquated or old-fashioned, and we thought it's in perfect condition. Let's go ahead and buy it and just update the different things that we can do on our own and not make it too complicated. We looked at the wood and we thought we need to paint it white. And we decided that it looked so good that we wanted to leave the wood just the way it was. And so this is why we fell in love with it, in mint condition. We even changed the little bumper, the logo on the bumper, took out everything for the Reno, the sofa, all the carpeting, and we installed flooring, all new flooring, and we removed all the carpet. We also did the stairs just to make it flow, and it was super easy. We were able to do some wallpaper that kind of looked like farmhouse to it. I wanted for it to have like kind of a farmhouse decor. We also went ahead and looked at the sink and thought, okay, we need to redo that, the seating covers, all of the little details to make it look a little bit more modern. So we went ahead and painted everything and gave it more of a modern look. And we painted the walls, we painted every little detail that we can come up with to freshen it up, we did. Even this little sticker that is completely my favorite. And so after we did all of the painting, I decided, okay, I'm going to do a little bit more details. So I did the stove cover, I did the countertop, the countertops to both the kitchen sink and all the other little details. And then I wrapped some of them with just a stick-on and painted around them. I redid the board, the headboard, and I did a leather wrap to it. And here it is. Here's the final product.
Welcome to our trailer.
Welcome to our RV.
Thank you.